Windows and Git Bash. Bash path to read Windows %path %system variable. I've recently added a directory to the Windows path manually by going into Control Panel and GT, System and GT, Advanced System Settings and GT, Environment Variables and GT, User Variables and GT, Path. Windows 7, 64-bit. After rebooting and starting cmd.exe, echo %path% indicates that this worked. I see the directory I recently added in the output. However, after starting Git Bash, the output of echo $path doesn't include this directory. I could add export path equals $path $c/my/path in my basher, but I'd rather Git Bash just get path from Windows so I don't have to remember to add paths to two places. How can this be accomplished? A more general related question is, what sets up Git Bash's $path? I see a couple of entries repeated in different places. Some things that are in Windows %path% are in Git Bash's $path, but not others. What all happens before I get the Git Bash prompt that touches $path?
N-64 Git Bash session uses the executable /user/bin/bash.exe, which doesn't access or modify the environment variable path, like it would in this unrelated VBS script, for instance. A Git Bash session will simply add in front of your current path. It is possible that the Min64 session packaged with Muzishtut won't consider a bin from another Minu installation. You can check it by setting another, simpler, directory to your path and see if it is still visible in your Git Bash session. If not, then it is a more general issue which concerns all directories that you would add to the path.
Here's my small workaround for a similar problem, Vs2 Bash on Windows 10. The idea is to convert the required paths to Unix-style paths and append them to bash $path, all done in Basher. Do not append required paths to WinPath. Instead create a new env in Windows, like mz2_winpath, and append all the semicolon-separated Windows path directories to this variable. Append %mz2_winpath% to %path%. Now insert this in your basher.
I think that's what you wish you had. That automatically convert your Windows path to bash. This URL. Became. I do that for myself.
If the path value would be too long after your user's path variable has been concatenated onto the environment path variable, Windows will silently fail to concatenate the user path variable. This can easily happen after new software is installed and adds something to path, thereby breaking existing installed software. Windows fail. The best fix is to edit one of the path variables in the control panel and remove entries you don't need. Then open a new CMD window and see if all entries are shown in echo %path%.